we don't have a rule to integrate and that are quite complicated to integrate. And we call it integration by recognition. And another way of looking at it is differentiate, hence integrate. And it involves a little bit of creativity. Because often they don't give you the function that you must differentiate in order to integrate. They just tell you to find the integral of a complicated function, and you need a bit of creativity to imagine what that function might have been before it was differentiated to become that function. So let's have a look. Here it says, given that y equals e to the x squared, determine dy by dx, and hence determine an antiderivative of x e to the x squared. Now the first thing you'll realize is that, oh dear, we've got no rule for integrating x e to the x squared. But let's have a look at how we can differentiate and hence integrate. Okay, so given that y is e to the x squared, the way we find the derivative of that is to say by the chain rule. And by that, our dy by dx will be e to the x squared multiplied by 2x. And that gives me 2x e to the x squared. Alright, now, would you agree with me that the integral of 2x e to the x squared must be e to the x squared plus c? Okay, so we can use that because it's kind of related to this x e to the x squared. The only difference is that there's a 2 over there. So we can say, hence, the integral of 2x e to the x squared dx we know is equal to e to the x squared plus c. And the thing we're having to integrate is this x e to the x squared. So if I took a 2 outside of my integral, remember a constant makes no difference to my integral, so there 2, equals it, 2x e to the x squared dx is going to be e to the x squared plus c. And if I divide both sides by 2, I will then have the integral of x e to the x squared dx is equal to e to the x squared over 2 plus c.